Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine there's no countries. Living life in peace. Ooh, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one.
Thank you.
Imagine no. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. We want to hear more, and when at a later date, but please give her a round of applause all the way from Bangladesh. I want to thank Chica too for bringing you to us. It's great to have you with us.